Welcome to Learn Playwright in 30 days. Today I will talk about network debugging. We'll cover inspect network traffic, validate API requests, validate API responses, wait for API completion, monitor backend services, stimulate service errors, troubleshooting failed requests. For example, login process. General use have interface to enter username passwords. Click login button. Then is API post this login API and the service response. If log successfully, Playwright have both UI behavior and API behavior together. Best practice reason. Validate API and UI together. Better coverage. Use wait for responses. Void flaky tests. Monitor external services. Stable automation. Use trace view. Faster root cause analysis. Block unnecessary resources. Improve execution speed. Verify response payloads. Catch backend issue earlier. Let's look at coding parts. So here is a test. And the first test is Monitor All Requests. So this is a page.on request. So this is request and console log, request method and a URL, and go to this page. So let me run the test. You see here, you can see here, like have the request. You see request get. This is a URL, and request get. This is a URL, JS file. And you see here is a get. Also go to here. So generally this is a request is a get a different page, different URL. So this is a get monitor request. Another you can see here response, monitor response. So for this one, like response status. So status always most is 200. So 200 is successful, and response URL. So you can see here. Go to this is response 200 code, and here is a different URL, and also 204, and the other thing is 200. This is a response. For this one, I want to catch login request, but after run, you can see just pass, not get the method for the login process. Thank you for watching. See you next time.